Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're good. I hope you're doing great. I hope you are getting ready for the ESMA celebration. Okay, in today's teaching, I want to show you how you can do your course breaker soap. Now you feel that there is actually course in your life. How do you know? You face bad luck, you face setback, you face disappointment, failure at the age of breakthrough, nearly to success syndrome. You need to take this path. You don't want to carry the same bad luck to 2021. Okay? You want to clear everything, clean yourself. Naaman in the Bible, when he went to meet the prophet did not cast it. He said, go to the river Jordan and cleanse yourself. You want to remove that bad luck, that disappointment. You want that spiritual spouse to stop chasing after you. You need to prepare this course breaker soup. You have been struggling, nothing to show from January to December. You end up in the valley of emptiness. Despite all your efforts, you need to do this course breaker soup. Why do I want to show you? So that you can do it by yourself. If you want to do this course breaker soap, you should be able to connect to your angel. Okay? And another thing I want you to know, by the time you do this course breaker soap, that you are using it, you are going to have multiple dreams. Yes, it will look as if you are watching CCTV. You will have multiple dreams, but at the end of that dream, you will be victorious by God's grace. So I'm going to show you how you do your course breaker soup, and now at the end I will tell you the scriptures you will use in fortifying this soup, blessing this soup, so that you will get a positive result. I don't want you to move to 2021 the same way. Okay? Do not carry the same bad luck, the same bad dream, the same setback, the same story that you've been passing through. I want you to enter 2021 in a good way, in a good faith. You know, joyous movement. Enjoy. Let me just say it like that. I posted a video about some weeks ago. Things you are supposed to get rid, you are supposed to change while you are about to cross over to the new year. If actually you want to experience a brand new 2021 in a very pleasant way, in a very memorable way, in a way that you will experience total blessing, total breakthrough all through 2021. There are some things you're supposed to do, because no one take a new wine and put in old vase and expect the same taste again. So you're going to watch this video to the end and see how you can make your course breaker soup. There are the things, all these things are the things you can get within your country. Wherever you are, you must get material. You will be able to get material to prepare your course breaker soup. Bless it, pray, and bath. And bath yourself, cleanse yourself, take your bath with it. Remove all the bad luck and setback. All right, follow me as I show you how to make your course breaker soup. Okay, you have the black soap, the African black soap, the one they use for your mulatto, Ghana black soap. You have another black soap in form of white, your salt, your sand, your ash. You can use anything to get your ash. You can burn some papers together to be able to get your ash from them. Palm kernel oil. Now you'll be needing 21 seeds of alligator pepper. Because I don't want this video to be long, I'll be able to crush them. Look at them. Can you see? It's okay. This is another form of black soap. Which one you can get? You can also use this one to prepare it if you cannot get other soap. And your water. When you are done crushing your alligator pepper seed, in this particular soup I'm using 21 because of the person I'm preparing it for. You can use 7 seed, 14 seed, and 21 seed. Okay, all of them have a language. When you are putting your alligator pepper, you just tell your alligator pepper that you are going to use this pepper to break this curse. Now I'm going to put my sand. I will now talk to the sand. This sand, you will work for mercy. I'm sending you to work for mercy, to clean all the bad luck she's passing through in Jesus' name. Okay. Then this is my salt. Salt, I'm sending you to clean every bad luck and setback that has been troubling mercy in Jesus' name. These are you are going to speak to everything you'll be using, both the soap, all the soap, mercy, as you use them, all the bad luck, all the shame, all the spiritual spouse, all the delay, all the disappointment you are passing through, all of them will be washed away in Jesus' name. So you are going to speak to all those things because they have ears, they hear you. Ash is for wealth and prosperity. This ash is very powerful when it comes to breaking curse. Okay? Ash, I'm sending you to break every curse in the life of mercy in Jesus' name. So you add your ash together. It's so simple. Then you pound everything together. Pound them together to be able to form a very good paste. Look at it. Then you'll be adding your palm kernel oil, your black oil, just a little. Jesus. Then your water. Now there are some soap that you'll be making that you only need coconut water, especially when I want to make a curse breaker soap. I use coconut water. There are some it will be honey based. It depends on the clients that I'm making that soap for. It depends on what the person is passing through. It depends on the angel that are available for me to make the soap for the person. This person that I'm making this soap for, the angel that is available for her is the angel of success. That is the angel that is available for her, is the angel of success. And I can assure you that this soap is successful. As she's going to use this soap, she will experience a very massive success. Okay. You see, the angel that is available for me to make this soap for her is angel of success. So with this soap, everything will be well. So as she uses this soap, it's going to be successful. She will experience a very big success in her life by the grace of God. At times, some angel of favor, at times is mercy. It depends the angel that is on ground for the person that you are preparing the soap for. My camera is disturbing. Sometimes you have some challenging when you want to record video. It's another challenging. Okay, just bear with me. But however, I must share this video with you. So the soap is ready. Now this soap, you're going to read Psalm 35, Psalm 91, Psalm 23, Psalm 24, Isaiah 49, verse 25 to 45, and bless this soap for effectiveness. Believe me, 100%, the soap will work for you. Every yoke, every bad luck, every curse, being projected curse, be the one afflicted by man, by demon, by spirit, by the special grace of God, as you use this soap, those curses will be broken and you'll be free from them in Jesus' name. Now, deliverance is step by step. Yes, it's step by step. As you are doing it, gradual process, before you know, everything will be well. Everything will just go just like that by the mercy of God. Thank you for watching. Go and prepare your own soup. Don't prepare it and sell for somebody, oh. Please, oh, prepare for yourself. But if you want, you are very busy, you want me to prepare for you, you just put your comment at the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing fine. In today's teaching, it's all about our curse breaker soup. I've actually made introduction of curse breaker soup, but I've not really have time to make this curse breaker soup.